Stop right there, evildoer! No, that's not it. Maybe it's... The Powerpuff Girls are about to be your evil undoing! No, that makes it sound like we're evil too. How about... Stop right there, you! Get up underneath it. Now you gotta swallow a bunch of air and... Guys! Huh? Can you keep it down in here? I'm trying to come up with heroic sayings for our next battle and... What are you two doing?
Buttercup's teaching me how to burp. Check this out. Burp.
Bubbles, that was fake.
See? I'm learning so much already.
Buttercup, listen.
Yeah, belching is gross. Bubbles shouldn't listen to me.
Exactly. She shouldn't listen to you because you're teaching her all wrong.
Huh?
A leader knows everything, including how to belch properly. My burps have been recorded at over 130 decibels.
Lies! There's no such thing as decables. You just made that word up.
I'll show you, Bubbles.
No, I'll show you, Bubbles. Decables and all.
No, I'll show you, Bubbles. Like this.
No, like this.
Like this? Like this.
No, like this. I've got a good burp on me. I can feel it.
I've got a better burp.
I'm out of soda.
Here it comes, Buttercup.
Oh, it's coming. You go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
Gee, you guys are not good at burping. Wow, congrats, guys. We did it. Excellent burps all around.
I don't think that was a burp, Bubbles.
Yeah, Bubbles, that was not a burp.
I think we've got the...
Yep, it's the Hiccups.
The Hiccups? I didn't know Hiccups were this dangerous.
They're not. In your average, normal, everyday, ordinary.
Please explain faster, Professor.
Sorry. I believe that since you're superheroes, your Hiccups are superpowered.
Uh-oh.
How do we get rid of them, Professor?
Well, whenever I get the Hiccups, I just drink a glass of water. A sip of H2O will make them go.
Well, that should do it. That didn't work.
And now I gotta pee.
Okay, it's not an ideal situation, but as long as we stay inside until the hiccups go away, I think we'll be all right. Hello? What?
Oh, sorry. It's just that some liquid is trying to destroy the jar district. Oh, my jars. Oh, my precious jars.
We'll be right there.
Please don't say we have to leave.
A nitwit is trying to destroy the jar district.
But that's the lifeblood of this town.
He can't take our jar district. We have to leave. We need to leave.
Right, hiccups or not, Townsville needs... Let's just go.
And if you look to your left, you'll see the infamous Jar District. The lifeblood of this town.
Ooh, I can't wait to see the Wax Jar Museum. Little Nicky hates jars. Oh, what's that?
Citizens of Townsville, it is I, the Gnat! For far too long, I, the Gnat, have been carved in jars by pathetic humans for entertainment and vaguely educational purposes. But no longer. I shall smash every jar in Townsville and have my revenge. Why, you ask? It's simple.
What's he saying?
I don't know. What did he say his name was again?
And soon, you will all know the fury of the Gnat! Here we go. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Aha!
Not today, Nart!
What the Powerpuff Girls? First of all, it's the Gnat. Second of all, get out of my way. Move! Move, 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 move.